In this brief video, I'm going to walk you through the steps needed to submit a drop-off commitment through the Instant Cashout platform. In less than a handful of clicks and input fields, you'll be able to submit a drop-off commitment in no time. Let's get to it. Hey guys, this is Cody and welcome back for another tutorial from Instant Cashout, where we help you flip deals and maximize your profits using our simple, swift, and secure platform. Today's short video will focus on how to submit a drop-off commitment. Now before we do so, how about we discuss the delivery options you have. When you submit a shipping buyer label commitment, and after our review, the system will automatically generate your label. The automated system will look for the lowest shipping cost based on your location. Note that we offer our labels at a deeply discounted price. Most of the time, we absorb a big part of the shipping cost. If you'd rather obtain your own shipping label, then you'd want to submit a shipping seller label commitment. Another option you may have is a pickup. With this option, one of our team members will pick up the items from your preferred location. Now be aware though, this option is limited to certain locations and has a minimum pickup quantity associated with it. Finally, if you're local and you'd like to get some face-to-face time with us and drop off your items, then you'd go ahead and choose drop-off commitment. This is what we will be demoing today. No promises, but we may have some freebies to offer with each drop-off. Now that we've covered the 4 types of delivery methods, let's run through a quick demo submitting a drop-off commitment. After you've signed into your account, you would go to Available Deals page. On this page, you'll see the list of deals that are available to be flipped for profit. Below each deal, you'll find the model description, along with the commission and the retail price. Next to the commission, you'll see 2 icons, an upward or a downward arrow, along with a chart. The upward or downward arrow indicates whether the commission has increased or decreased from the last commission change. The chart, on the other hand, provides some insight into the historical commission values. Now let's say you like the commission we offer on the PS5 Horizon Forbidden Bundle, for example. You would then go ahead and click on the deal's image. The first 4 locked entry fields provides some information about the deal. The first entry field you need to select from this is the payment method. Here you choose your preferred payment method, which will in return be communicated to the Instant Cashout team. Now, some of the payment methods may not be available all of the time, so you may be seeing changes to the list from time to time. Now, if you have a coupon on hand and you'd like to apply it, then you would enter the coupon in the entry field. Be aware though, once you apply the coupon and then submit the commitment, the coupon will no longer be valid. So please use the coupon only when you're fully committing to the order. The question you may have is, how can I put my hand on one of those? Well, that's a good question, and it comes with an easy answer. Please go ahead and follow us on Twitter and YouTube. That will cost you nothing, yet many coupons and freebies will be shared on these pages. Under the count entry field, you would enter the quantity you are committing to sell. And under the delivery method, you would choose drop-off. Finally, you would choose from the drop-off locations that are available. The drop-off location also has the operation hours. For example, you would be dropping off to 6 December Street in Los Angeles and between 9 a.m. and 7 p.m. It's not too late, by the way, guys, to make changes to the commitment after submitting, as long as it's still in open status. To do so, you would go to the commitment page. There, you would see your order ID associated with the commitment you just submitted, print an invoice, see any notes that the admin may have placed on the order, and finally edit your commitment. To make changes to the commitment, you would go ahead and click Edit Commitment, change the count, delivery method if you like, or the drop-off location and time. If you want to cancel the commitment altogether, you would do so by clicking on the Status drop-down menu and then select Cancel. Please be aware that once you cancel the commitment, you cannot open it again, so you'll need to submit another one. And that's it from your end. If you're still committing to flip your items for profit, you would then go ahead and drop off the items. At the drop off, the team member will look up your order, change the status from open to received, issue payment, and close the commitment. After the commitment is closed, you would notice that the order ID goes from the Open Commitments tab to the Closed Commitments tab. And that wraps up the tutorial video on how to submit a drop-off commitment. Like usual, click the subscribe button to stay connected. And if you have any further questions, please post them below or reach us at support@instantcashout.org. Stay in touch and see you in the next video.